Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up two-factor authentication on Robinhood. This essential security feature adds a vital layer of protection to your investments. It helps prevent unauthorized access, keeping your financial information safe from potential threats. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your account is secure and giving you peace of mind. Let's get started with enhancing your Robinhood security today. To begin, open your Robinhood app and tap the account icon in the bottom right corner. From there, select the Settings option. Next, you'll find Security and Privacy, where you can access the two-factor authentication settings. Here, you will choose your preferred method, such as using a dedicated authenticator application for generating codes. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable content. On another note, staying organized helps in all aspects of life, including your finances. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, perfect for healthy eating on the go. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once you've selected your method, follow the prompts to link your Authenticator app or verify your phone number. You will then receive a unique verification code. Carefully enter this code into the Robinhood app to confirm your setup. After successful confirmation, your two-factor authentication will be active, providing enhanced security for all your future logins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.